今次 CC 字幕嘅展場實在太大啦，我哋就分幾次帶大家去介紹唔同牌子、唔同嘅新產品啦。呢次就帶大家睇睇3個品牌，分別係 Grimm Audio HiFi Rose 同埋 Weiss。依家就由荷蘭 Grimm Audio 開始啦。
And I'm standing here next to the new product of Grimm Audio, which is the PA1. It's a power amplifier. It's a Class AB amplifier, 200 watts into 8 to 4 ohms. And it's a monoblock, so you need two. The very special properties of the PA1 are that we have aimed for very low dynamic distortion, which means distortion that changes when the signal changes. So if the signal becomes louder, at the moment of change, the distortion can change. And you don't measure that with a sine wave, so you need to have very special measurement signals, and you have to be aware of the problem. So we took various measures to minimize the changing distortion. And so the result is a very stable sound image, very spacious, and eternal dynamics. It just keeps going and going. We have XLR inputs and RCA inputs. It has auto sense, so you can have it automatically turn on and off, but of course you can also disable that, so it will just be manually turned on and off. So that's the PA1, and we love to combine it with the MU2 product, which is our streamer, and it's got a server inside as well. You have your internal storage. I can show you, it's over just here around the corner. This is the MU2, and the MU2 has a digital to analog converter built in of extreme high quality, and it also got a preamplifier built in. So this is the volume control. You can also control it from within room, or a UPnP controller like a JPlay, or you can use the built-in web page or infrared remote. And then the combination of the MU2 with the PA1 gives you a full system from the source, from the hard drive, all the way to the power amplifier. You only need to add passive loudspeakers, and then you have the complete system. For analog sources like vinyl, we have a phono stage, the PW1. You connect it to the MU2, and then you have even vinyl in the system. So as you see, there's also a loudspeaker. This loudspeaker is a prototype, but we intend to make a passive loudspeaker as a commercial product that will be very similar to what you see here. And we are introducing it now together with the PA1 amplifier. And so by combining the PA1 with this passive loudspeaker, you also have the full signal chain from the MU2 streamer or the PW1 phono stage into the MU2 preamplifier, and then you go through the PA1 into the passive loudspeaker. And that's a full signal chain. And in the past we also had a full signal chain, and we still have that. It's with the MU1 streamer with a digital output connecting to the LS1 loudspeaker. And then also you have the full signal chain from the source, the streaming source, all the way to the acoustic sound. And now we are introducing a similar chain, but now with passive components. And it's been a lot of work, but we're very proud on the results. We are very happy to introduce the power amp, because that's been a tremendous amount of work. We hope to have the passive speaker still this year, but we don't know. It's an unfinished project, so we have to see what happens. But that would be really wonderful, and cables will be farther in the future.
接住落嚟就輪到外觀非常搶眼嘅 RA80單聲道後級啦。佢係韓國 HiFi Rose 今次展覽裏邊唯一一款新產品。
So what you're seeing now here is a power amplifier named RA80. As you can see, the first thing that caught your attention is the full OLED display on the front, and it has a 107 display rate, which means very fluent movement, all like that is moving with the music that you're listening to. But since it's amplifier, I would like to show the backside what we can support. So on the back right here, we have two input. Of course, we have unbalanced on the left and a balance on the right. And we have a gain switch, but forgive us, it's a wrong printing. So this must be the 0, and it goes minus to the left, so we can support with all different speaker match. And as you can see, the power is like 4,000. So from 8 ohm, it can support 500 watts, and 2 ohm up to 2 ohm, so 2,000 watts. And by the way, this is a Class D amplifier that which HiFi Rose is keep developing and keep developing. So it's Class D amplifier, but the difference is we are using the GaN-FET technology. All the amplifier that we have been developed, including RA180, 280, it's all GaN-FET technology. So we are named it Class AD, Class Advanced D Class. So the secret behind the GaN-FET is it's really the matter of the switching time. The GaN-FET can make switching time way less than the normal Class D, which will eventually make the sound way more analog and warmer sound. What we could achieve with the latest amplifier we released, RA280, the switching time with the hertz was about 600. But now we are targeting for 3 megahertz. But for now, we hit the 1 megahertz, which is almost double from our latest model, RA280. And also, the secret in RA80 is that there were only single GaN FET in each amplifier, but this time we put 8 GaN FET, making a pairs, so it's make it 4 pairs of GaN FET in the amplifier. And yeah, this must be something unexpected in an amplifier. This is a USB-C port, which can support the OTA update in a later in future. So I talk about the OTA, I guess this can make you better, help you for better understanding. So this kind of graphic art will react on the music that you're listening. And the secret behind is the software is simultaneously analyze the music that you're listening from, so low, mid, upper, mid, high. This will reflect it on the art that you're showing on the screen. So we are developing various kind of display design, so it will react it with the music that you're listening at your room. So yeah, that was it, I guess. And then the release date is in September, so please stay tuned.
跟住就到瑞士 Weiss 啦，佢今次嘅展覽重點呢，就係一款新產品叫做 Live Box， 呢個係一個非常之獨特嘅一體式串流 DSP 揚聲器。其實 Live Box 計劃呢已經公佈咗一段時間㗎啦，我亦都喺幾年前已經聽過試作品，佢嘅效果係非常之特別。依家就由 Danny Weiss 先生親自為大家講解點解 Live Box 咁特別。
This year we are showing our Live Box unit the first time in a finished edition now. The Live Box is special in that way that it has crosstalk cancellation. That means the right speakers go only to your right ears and the left speakers going to the left ears, and not crossover, no cross talking. So, and if you do that, then you have a huge sound stage in front of you. The speaker disappears basically acoustically, and you have a huge stage in front of you in a 3D manner. So it adds depth and height and width. So that's the main product. It's an all-in-one speaker, so it can do streaming and also accepts AAC view and analog inputs. So you don't need expensive cables, etc. Everything is inside the speaker. And also you can hide it in your sideboard, for instance. So you have a good sound and no ugly looking speakers in your room. That's the main point behind this unit. We do custom colors, of course, and the size is as it is. So, but it fits well in a sideboard, for instance.